special, not special, special edition. Because I don't know if you're seeing everything in our table, but these are the surprises. So, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna show you each and everything that is in my table, because all of this will be part of the one whole month, meaning starting this half of December, spreading out until half of January. Everything that I'm gonna show you will be part of the giveaway. Yes, you heard it right. Giveaway, guys, with love. So, all of the mechanics will be posted not only here, but throughout all of our social media accounts. So that means you should have already subscribed to our Instagram, which is Scrapbookie Crafter U Crafts, to our Facebook account, which is Scrapbookie Crafter, and to, of course, YouTube, which is Scrapbookie Crafter as well. So, if you haven't done so, please like, subscribe, share, and click on the notification button down below so that you will not miss out on any of our videos where we will be posting some of the mechanics, okay? So, definitely, all of our social media accounts will be posting maybe, every week for what would be the giveaway, what would be the mechanic. So, if you wanted to get anything out of this pool, out of this haul, so better be subscribing on it, and make sure that you always be vigilant on all of the notifications. So follow and subscribe to all of our social media. I cannot reiterate it even more. Anyway, so here we go. I'm just gonna